Every day, the job throws something new. Deliveries pile up, crews wait, phones buzz, reports are due, clock's ticking. You're the one holding it together. This is StruxHub. Site logistics, workflows, resources, all mapped, live, in one central site ops platform. Broadcast announcements, message teams, run any workflow your way. Track any resource, materials, equipment, labor. Capture clean data. No extra steps. No more chasing. No more guessing. Just clarity, collaboration, and control. Built for field teams. Built to run the job. Built to run your entire field operations. StruxHub.